Hello, little one. Welcome to Australia. Australia is a very special place. It has animals you won't find anywhere else in the world. Today we are going to meet 10 amazing Australian animals. We will learn their names, their colours and the sounds they make. Are you ready? Let's leave this hopping mouse behind and explore Australia. Look, what is that bouncing along? It's a kangaroo. The kangaroo has a special pouch on its tummy to carry its baby, called a joey. Their hind legs and tail are very strong. The kangaroo goes thump, thump, thump. Can you say thump? Thump, brilliant. What colour is the kangaroo? The kangaroo is brown. Brown with a long bouncy tail. Brown, brown, kangaroo. Look up in that eucalyptus tree. It's a koala. They are famous for being expert tree climbers that love to eat leaves and sleep all day long. They can sleep up to 18 hours a day. The koala goes grunt, grunt, grunt. Can you say grunt? Grunt, amazing. What colour is the koala? The koala is grey. Soft and grey with big fluffy ears. Grey, grey, koala. Look, something is digging in the ground. It's a wombat. The wombat is an excellent digger and makes long underground tunnels called burrows. Even though they have very short legs, wombats can run very fast when they need to escape danger. The wombat says, hiss, hiss, hiss. Can you say hiss? Hiss, fantastic. What colour is the wombat? The wombat is brown. Chunky and brown with a round little nose. Brown, brown, wombat. Look in the river. What is that funny looking animal? It's a platypus. The platypus has a beak like a duck, a tail like a beaver, one of the most unique animals on Earth. Even stranger is they lay eggs. Do you know what a baby platypus is called? It is called a puggle. The platypus goes splash, splash, splash. Can you say splash? Splash, wonderful. What colour is the platypus? The platypus is brown. Dark brown and very unusual. Brown, brown, platypus. Look at those long legs and tiny wings. It's an emu. The emu is a very tall bird, but it cannot fly. But they are super fast runners that can zoom up to 30 miles per hour. The emu says boom, boom, boom. Can you say boom, boom, boom? Boom, boom, boom. Superb. What colour is the emu? The emu is brown and grey. Brown and grey with funny fluffy feathers. Brown and grey, emu. Look at all those spikes. It looks like a hedgehog, but it's an echidna. The echidna is covered in sharp spines to roll up in a ball and protect itself. They don't have teeth but use a long sticky tongue to slurp up insects. The echidna goes snuffle, snuffle, snuffle. Can you say snuffle, snuffle? Excellent. What colour is the echidna? The echidna is brown with cream spines. Brown with cream spines, all prickly. Brown and cream, echidna. Be very careful near the water. It's a saltwater crocodile. The Australian saltwater crocodile is the largest reptile in the world and can weigh as much as a small car. They are also incredibly fast swimmers. The crocodile says, snap, snap, snap. Can you say snap? Snap, spectacular. What colour is the crocodile? The crocodile is green and grey. Green and grey with enormous teeth. Green and grey, crocodile. Listen, can you hear that funny sound? It's a kookaburra. The kookaburra has the most famous laugh in Australia. They are nature's alarm clock because they love to sing their loud cackles in the morning to wake everyone up. The kookaburra says, ha 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 ha. Can you laugh like a kookaburra? Ah, 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 ah. Brilliant. What colour is the kookaburra? The Kookaburra is brown and white. Brown and white with a very funny laugh. Brown and white, Kookaburra. Look across the Australian outback. It's a dingo! The dingo is Australia's wild dog. It roams freely across the outback. They have an incredible sense of smell, letting them track down a meal from huge distances. The dingo says, "Howl, howl, howl." Can you say howl? Howl, incredible. What colour is the dingo? The dingo is golden yellow. Golden yellow like the Australian desert. Golden yellow, dingo. Last but not least, what is that fierce little animal? It's a Tasmanian devil. The Tasmanian devil is small but very loud. It has the most powerful bite of any mammal its size. They can run up to 15 miles per hour for an hour and are fantastic swimmers. Younger devils can even climb trees. The Tasmanian devil says, "Screech, screech, screech." Can you screech? Screech, magnificent. What colour is the Tasmanian devil? The Tasmanian devil is black with a white stripe. Black with a white stripe on its chest. Black and white, Tasmanian devil. The kangaroo goes thump brown and bouncing high, thump, 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 watch it jumping by. The koala goes grunt, grey and soft and round. Grunt, 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 sleeping safe and sound. The wombat goes hiss, brown and chunky too. Hiss, 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 digging tunnels through. The platypus goes splash, brown with ducky bill. Splash, 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 swimming with such skill. The emu goes boom, brown and tall and wide. Boom, 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 it cannot fly with pride. The echidna goes snuffle, brown with spines so bright. Snuffle, 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 curling up so tight. The crocodile goes snap, green and grey and wide. Snap, 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 lying by the riverside. The kookaburra laughs, brown and white all day, ha 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 sha ha, laughing all the way. The dingo goes howl, golden in the sun, howl, 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 across the outback run. The Tasmanian devil screeches, black and white and bold. Screech, 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 the fiercest to behold. What an incredible adventure in Australia today. Let's remember all our amazing Australian friends. The kangaroo said thump. The koala said grunt. The wombat said hiss. The platypus said splash. The emu said boom, boom, boom. The echidna said snuffle. The crocodile said snap. The kookaburra said ha 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 ha. The dingo said howl. And the Tasmanian devil said screech. You are so clever. Let's leave these unusual animals and see you next time in Australia. Bye bye.